dito yan sa Calgary. Ayan yung weather next week. Malupet. Plus. Yeah, you're so cute. Yeah. Both sizes, pwedeng matte finish, pwedeng glossy finish. So, ayan. Covered pala lahat yung kay Ivan sa insurance. Wala siyang need bayaran.
Hi guys, what's the weather? I want to see it. Negative 15 degrees. Look at this one. See, negative 15 degrees. Cold. So bundle up. For if you get cold. So just wait.
Good morning guys! Kumusta kayong lahat? Sabado na naman. Yay! Off na naman natin. Today, tsaka tomorrow. Actually, nakalimutan ko yung glasses ko. Ngayon ko lang na-realize. Kasi nakikita ko naman yung malapitan. Kapag malayo, hindi ko na makita. Nearsighted ako. Pag malayo is medyo blurry. And naisip ko kasi kukunin namin yung salamin today. Finally. So, 1 week lang. Ang bilis. Dumating agad. Actually, wala pang 1 week. Nag-message siya akin ng Friday. Yun. So, at least may susuot na tayo. Yun naman yung unang stop namin today sa Cross Iron. Kahapon pala guys, grabe yung traffic from pauwi ako to going home. Yung usual half an hour na biyahe ko is naging 55 minutes. Feeling ko gawa nung Black Friday yan. Naglabasan talaga lahat ng mga tao. Kaya it's really a good idea na nag-shopping na kami last week or even days after, like ngayon, tomorrow, on pa naman yung mga sales sa mga store. Kesa makipagsiksikan ka kahapon, I don't think it's worth it. Sa paghahanap pa lang ng parking, I'm sure mahirap na. So, we're hopeful na ngayon. Nag-mellow down na ng konti yung mga tao. 9:40 ng umaga, guys. Malamig pa rin sa labas. Pero chinek namin yung weather the next couple days. Plus, pakita ko sa inyo. Ayan, so dito yan sa Calgary. Ayan yung weather next week. Malupet. Plus.
So bundle up for safety.
Kita niyo yun? Next week magtutunaw yung yellow. So happy. Sana ngayong weekend nag-start para makalabas-labas ng konti. Ayun no. Excited tayo dyan. Ayun, so nakakatuwa naman. Hindi ko alam, ito ba yung Chinook? Bakit iinit next week dito? Not sure.
For your safety because it's too cold. if you are very cold.
Ayan o, diba? Kasi highway dito eh. And then, ang bilis ng patakbo mo. Ngayon, alam ko na kung ano yung black ice. Actually, before akala ko black ice is yung, nakikita mo pa rin siya na yellow. Pero madulas. Ngayon pala is black ice. Halos hindi mo siya makita sa daan. Lalo na sa highway na ganito. Kasi kahapon hindi ako nakapag-vlog papunta sa work. Pero dito, ay dun sa kabilang daan ko. Ay hindi, dito. Tapos nagtataka ako, nag-slow down yung mga kotse. Dito banda mismo. Makala ko may aksidente.
So be careful. Safety. So be careful. Drive safely. It's slippery. Black ice. Too slippery.
So, nung nag-brake ako, na-feel ng wheels na parang dumulas siya. So, nakakatakot guys. So, ingat-ingat sa pagdadrive. Yung pala yung black ice. Akala mo clear yung daan, lalo na kapag umaga. Like yung 6, ganyan, then madilim pa yun, diba? Kasi winter time na. Hindi wala masyadong halata talaga yung black ice. Now, I know. Kasi ngayon lang tayo nakapag-drive sa mga malalaking highway. Gawa ng sa Winnipeg, hindi naman ganitong mga highway. Meron, pero 80, 100 yung patakbo dyan sa may perimeter sa atin. Ito kasi kalabas mo palang going everywhere is highway agad. So, ayun, ingat-ingat lang. Malapit na rin tayo sa Cross Iron. And, madami ng mga sasakyan.
So look for a parking easy, okay? It's so my mommy's car rolled back down because
I haven't.
no, from the work.
Oh, before, yeah, in the parking.
Because
Slippery.
it's too slippery. So when you get back up, you can't lag, okay? Just so make sure there's no slippery ice or too slippery black ice, okay? Be careful.
Ayan. Ayan yung resulta ng mga nadiditch, guys. Kaya ingat lang talaga. Sumasampa kayo sa mga hindi dapat puntahan na daan. Hirap talaga nang mabibilis yung mga patakbo. And nakakainis talaga sila pag binubuntotan ka sa likod. Alam mo yun, hindi kaya sila umalis sa likod mo.
Be driving safely. Ingat lang. Be safe and have safe driving. Do not go fast just like that car. You see, they're gonna tow it.
Andito na ako sa LensCrafter. 3 pairs. Yeah. Yes. Ayan. So, antayin ko lang yung salamin ko. Isusukat sa akin kung tama yung fit. Sakto kakabukas lang nila. Nakalagay yung cross iron 9 o'clock. Nagbubukas. Pero ito 10 o'clock. Nagtitingin na rin si Ivan ng sa kanya. Sakto pa siya sa promo.
The promo, good! Do you have promo or no? They will give you some promo.
Naantay lang namin yung salamin ko. 3 kasi yun eh. And then dapat makaka-receive ka ng separate email or notification for each. And na-receive ko na lahat yesterday. Ayoko lang pumunta dito kahapon kasi crowded talaga. Narinig ko nga itong isa kinakausap ng customer. Grabe daw mga tao dito kahapon.
Do you want some?
You need adjustments?
Right.
So, try our new glasses.
Thank you.
And then I always say, for fit, you want to make sure you put your head down. Does it feel secure? We do free adjustments on the glasses for as long as you own them.
Right.
They are going to lose their adjustment. Just normal wear and
In
tear.
time, yeah.
So you got to take advantage of that service, bringing them in periodically.
New glasses.
Okay.
Want me to
I don't know. There's sliding here in my nose.
put it on?
But here's fine because I don't want to have a headache if it's
So it's
too
sitting
tight.
flush on the nose. You don't want it too tight because then it pulls it away from the face.
Right. Yeah.
Do you want it sitting closer in?
Or maybe I should just keep it this way and
Change the
then
angle a bit. Change the
because
angle.
I like how it fits here.
The head feels good. Okay. Now you want me to adjust those?
Oh yeah, I think it needs to be tightened.
So I won't be able to
Pangalawa.
touch the bridge. You'll need to adjust it on the side of the head and the ears.
Yes, please. Yeah, a little
You don't
side.
put it on. I'm just going to take
Oh,
a
sure.
look at it on. Put your head down. Look at me.
Oh yeah, sliding.
Right now.
With that,
Would you
Touch
be
it.
pushing them back, or is that about where would you wear them for you?
this one, yeah.
Right there? And your eyelashes don't hit when you blink then? Okay, good. Okay. Help you.
Ayun, so chine-check ko lang yung fit niya para i-adjust kung ita-tighten or hindi.
So, do you want to try out a new
Yeah, you have to come in.
try
And
our
then we
new
could do
glasses
that
out?
for you as long as you come
Wanna
in
try
before
one for
December
the dog?
2nd, because that's when the sale
And
ends.
then the doctor will give you some.
Ayan, ito naman. Third one.
Oh, those are pretty on you.
Yeah, they're so cute.
Okay.
Yeah.
Like that trim with the gold and the black, yeah. Very pretty.
I think it's just a little tight here.
The nose feels comfortable?
The nose is okay. Just here
On this side a bit, eh? Okay, absolutely.
Thank you.
I see you didn't get the Ira protection plan, so there's no warranty on the glasses. If they break or they scratch, you do have 30 days to add it. So it just depends on how careful you are with your stuff.
Right, yeah.
My rule of thumb, if they're not on your face, keep them in the case, they'll last longer. So if you do find that if they're sitting out, they're going to get knocked on the floor, you have the option to add the warranty.
Okay,
It
within
is
30
$40
days.
to have it, and it's $50 to replace the glasses if you have the warranty. So no pressure now.
Yeah.
Watch how you're handling them. That's kind of more if you're throwing them in and out of your purse, you could get a whole new replacement because I guarantee they will scratch. Right?
$40 for everything or each pair? That's
40
for
per pair.
Oh, per pair.
So
Okay.
to have the warranty would be 40
Yeah.
per pair. If there's one that you're using more than the other, I mean, like the value of that one might be worth it because you pay $40 to have the warranty, and then in a year you can get a whole replacement pair for $50. But my rule is more you watch how you're taking care of them. If you're throwing them in your purse, they will scratch you
For
the
sure.
first week or two, and then you're stuck with it, right?
Exactly.
But like I said, no pressure, but keeping that in thought.
I can still add it within 30 days, you
30
said.
days,
Yeah.
so there's no pressure to get it now.
Right.
Absolutely.
Yung kay ma'am. Try mo, ma'am.
Yeah.
Para pakita natin.
Ayun!
Ito, yung kay Mamsi. Ayan. Pa-order natin. Non-prescription yung sa kanya. Antema. Ayan. So, tapos na ako. In-order na niya yung kay Mamsi. Si Ivan naman. Yung sa kanya, kukunin niya is Meta. Hindi daw siya 30 off, kundi 20 off lang pag sa Meta.
The metas?
Ayan. Siya
No,
naman.
it's my first time.
So, the technical part of it, we do not adjust them. Because all the technology is in the frame, the camera, the volume, and everything is here. We don't touch the adjustments, so it has to be.
Would you like some?
So this one's the 53. I just see that on the app. And you're wanting the black matte?
Yes, please. What other colors available?
I'll show you.
Okay.
If they're available, but I'm sure that comes in one size smaller. Because we cannot adjust. I want to show you the small one.
Okay.
Just to make sure for fit, just realize we can't adjust them, right?
Yan. Laki na, Daddy. Ayan, no.
Ayan.
Salamin mo before.
Medyo.
Yeah.
So this
Okay
is
lang.
the next size down.
That's-
that might
that's-
be fine, but let's try it for comparison.
Slightly smaller.
It is. Now that's the glossy, but I'll show you the
Cover
color
your mouth.
option.
You cover your
So the difference is this is 53 millimeters, so this is a little bit bigger this way and that way. That one is smaller around.
Yeah, Daddy would like to look.
Daddy will have
Ano
to.
mas okay? Mas malaki tong konti. Slightly bigger.
Right? That's your new
That's-
address?
that's
I'll
my new
update your address as
Yes,
well.
please.
That one. So, ito yung mas maliit na frame ng Meta. Try mo yung isa. Mas maliit. Ay, mas malaki.
Ito yung mas maliit. So,
Ito yung
same
mas maliit
style
na
siya,
frame.
pero
Ayan. Parang mas maganda lang yung malaking frame kasi. Ito yung mas malaki. Mas bagay lang.
sobrang mura.
Pero both sizes, pwedeng matte finish, pwedeng glossy finish. So, ayan. Kuha na rin siya kasi baka daw wala nang sale sa Boxing Day. Kasi usually daw is buy one, get one half. Pero this time, yung first pair pa lang is 30 off na sa frame, 50 off sa lenses. Pero itong Meta is 20 off lang sa frame. Pero 50 off siya sa lenses naman.
50 of lenses, 20%
20.
off sa frame.
Oo. Okay. Pwede na. Not bad. Okay pa din siya. Ayan. Dalawa sila. Ayan. Ayun, oh. May camera ka na, han.
May camera na.
Ayun, guys. Natapos din kami doon. Sa Lens Crafter, sobrang bait nung nag-help sa amin. Si Jackie. And last week, yung nag-help naman sa akin si David. Hindi to sponsored, pero sobrang patient lang talaga nila, tsaka sobrang bait. So, ayun. Sana nagustuhan niyo yung vlog namin today at na-share namin yung promotion dyan sa Lens Crafter. Yung Christmas tree dito sa Cross Iron. Dumadami na pala yung mga tao, guys. Ayun. So, covered pala lahat yung kay Ivan sa insurance. Wala siyang need bayaran. Umabot din ng 558 or 568. So, ayun. Tapos, nahirapan pa yung babae kanina kasi parang ang bilis ngang maubusan ng Meta. Parang kakapindot lang niya na available and then hindi na naman available and then tinry na naman niya. Available na naman. So, mabilis. Madaming bumibili ng Meta ngayon, guys. Ayun guys, mas madami ng tao ngayon. Time check. Check ko lang. Time check, 11:40 na, lunchtime. Kaya nagdatingan na yung mga tao. Ayun, sana may na-share kami sa inyo ngayon. Hanggang December 2 guys, yung promo dyan. And we'll see you in our next one. Bye!